Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh and today I am going to discuss a few projects with my Raspberry Pi Pico. So let's start. So firstly, I am going to show you my Raspberry Pi projects kit. Starting from this IR sensor. This is a passive infrared sensor. I am having two of both. Next is soil moisture sensor, which has a comparator board with it. One sound sensor, hall sensor, line detection sensor, gas sensor, which is the MQ135, two pot, which is the potentiometer. I am having three. LCD, 16:2 LCD with I2C. Vibration sensor, two joysticks, one ultrasonic sensor, one micro servo, one microwave motion detection sensor, temperature and humidity sensor. There is an touch sensor, water raindrop sensor with its comparator board, tilt sensor, LDR and LDR. There is motor driver, L298N motor driver, BMP 180, one DC 6 volt pump, water level sensor, two channel relay module, RF, which is 355 megahertz. And these were all my sensors. Except this, there are more things. A box full of resistors, diodes, capacitors, and some small potentiometers, and some few transistors. I am having a box full of LEDs. These are mostly red, green, yellow, and a few light bulb. Switches, micro switch and some big switch and push button and alligator clips. The most important is the jumper cables. The mostly used jumper cables are male to male and male to female, but a few female to female are needed also. So this was my electronic sensors and its accessories kit. So I am going to now talk about the projects which I am going to do with these all sensors. The projects are LED projects which has 3 videos, which will start from basics of LEDs, pattern and RGB. And then there is next there is weather station. After the weather station there is LCD. After LCD we will make a burglar alarm. Next is automatic soil watering system. Next is LDR. Next touch sensor. Next hall sensor. Next sound sensor. After it there is ultrasonic sensor, joystick, song with buzzer, project with raindrop sensor, tilt sensor, servo and pot, reaction gain, relay, motor driver, vibration module, BMP 180, automatic gates, gas sensor and water level sensor, and at the last we will make a Pico robot. New projects will be added later. You can go to my website which has everything about my projects. I will also post my videos on that, and I will make a step-to-step tutorial on that there, and you can also find the codes which will be used to make the projects. So this was the video in which I had talked all the projects that I am going to do with Raspberry Pi Pico. I will add more projects after some time. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with new and great Raspberry Pi Pico project videos. Till then, bye bye.